Good morning, students of grade 4th. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I am your maths teacher. We are doing Exceed Mathematics of grade 4th, and we already started volume 2. Volume 2. Today we will start S2 of block 9. Students, mention today's date on page number 3. S2 is using a compass. That means we will use compass and draw some circles and answer our questions. Question 1. Question 1 is mark the center of the circle. We have some points here A, C, B, O. From all points, which one is center of circle? Students, always we got the center of circle in mid. So this one is point circle. This one is center of our circle. Okay. I'm using highlighter. You can use pencil also. Next, question number 2. Draw a circle using a compass. That means we have to use compass and we have to draw circle and mark these parts. Chord AB, radius OX and diameter YZ. That means we have to tell that which one is diameter, which one is radius and which is chord. So first of all we will draw a circle with the help of compass. So let's start. Put this one in center and move it slowly. Move it slowly. And you got the shape of circle. This one is circle and this one is so light, so I am going to dark it. Okay. Now if you see in yourself, then you will got the center. This one is center and we have to draw a chord AB. I told you before what is the chord. Chord क्या होता है? One edge to another edge of circle meet as a line segment. Is a line segment that called chord. And name of chord is AB. AB. This one is chord AB. Next we have to draw radius OX. What is the mean of radius? From the center to is the distance from center to is that called radius. Okay, and all radius are same. We can draw anywhere a radius. So this one is OX. OX is radius. Next, diameter. Diameter, what is the diameter? We have two definition of diameter. First, double of radius that called diameter. Double of radius that called diameter. How? Let's see. This one is radius. This one is radius. If we draw more radius, one more radius at the front of first radius. इसी के सामने एक और रेडियस बना. So we have two radiuses here and these two radiuses are called diameter. What we call diameter. Okay students, and the longest chord also called diameter. Longest chord. This one is small chord. If we will draw here, this one will be smallest chord. This one is medium chord, and this is largest chord, that is called diameter. Next, question number 3. Question 3 is, look at the figure. This one is figure. Measure the length of OA in centimeters OA using a ruler. This one is ruler. With the help of this, we will measure this length. Then measure the length of OB in centimeter. Answer the questions. First, we have to tell the length of OA. So, use this one, and always we start from 0 if we are measuring length. Always we start from 0. If you can see, the length of this OA is 2 centimeter. This one is 2 centimeter. You can see, yes, this one is 2 centimeter. The length of OA is 2 centimeter. Now the length of OB, this one is radius. This one is radius, and all radius are same in length. So this one is also 2 centimeter. Let's see. Yes, this one is also 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter. Both are equal in length. Next, question B. Are the lengths of radii OA and OB equal? These both lengths are equal. What do you conclude from this? मतलब ये कैसे हुआ, आप कैसे बता सकते हो? Yes, we already see these both lengths are similar in 2 centimeter. So yes, the length of OA and OB are equal. Each point on the circle is at the same distance from the center of circle. We can draw a line also that will be also 2 centimeter, because all the length from the center to edge of circle always will be same in length. Let's see. If you can see, yes, this one is also 2 centimeters. So all the length will be same from the center. So students, this was our video about our circle with using of compass. Next, S3 we will do in our next class. Till then students, bye bye.